For these examples, we'll look at how to write one quantity as percentage of another. So first example we're going to do is, if we have a maths quiz and we get 17 out of 20, and we want to say whether, or we want to find out what percentage that is, and a lot of you could relate to that, because the moment we get an exam result back and it's not out of 100, you want to know what percentage is that, or you want to know what grade that is. Okay, so percentages can be used to convert to grades. So for the first one, all we do is 17 out of 20. Let's write that mathematically. So if you write that mathematically, it's 17 over 20. Okay, because we are finding the percentage, that means, as we've learned, percentage has to do with the number 100. But because we're finding it, what percentage it will give us, we multiply that over 100 over 1. Okay? And again, a couple of methods. You could either multiply 17 times 100, divide by 20 times 1, or if you look at 20 and 100, okay, that's a pair of a numerator and a denominator, and you can see that they can be cancelled out because 20 is a factor of 100. So 20 divided by 20 is 1, and 20 divided by 100 is 5. So all we're doing over here is dividing both of these numbers by 20. Divide by 20, and that gives me 5. Once you get that, all you do is you multiply 17 times 5. In the denominator, it's just 1 times 1, so that is just over 1. And if you do 17 times 5, you get 85. Because we're finding the percentage, write down the percentage sign. Or you could do the other method that we know, which is 17 over 20 multiply by 100 over 1, and you'd go 17 times 100 divided by 20 times 1, and if you evaluate that on the calculator, you will get 85% again. Let's look at another example. In this example, we have got 50 books that were sold. Out of those 50, so 38 were hardcover. So what percentage is hardcover? So again, 38 out of 50. 38 out of 50 were hardcover. What percentage is that? You need to multiply that by 100 over 1. Again, if we look at the two pairs, 50 and 100, the highest common factor of 50 and 100 is 50. So 50 divided by 50 gives me 1. 100 divided by 50 gives me 2. So we end up with 38 times 2 in the numerator, 1 times 1 in the denominator, which gives me 76%.